2005 BMW X5 with a 3.0 oxygen sensor replacement. Bank 1, sensor 1 and 2. There's sensor 1. And back there is where sensor 2 was. Here's the old sensor. You have to be real careful with the connector. 2 ears. Just gently pry up with a small flat blade screwdriver. You'll need an O2 sensor socket. And I have a wobble extension and a swivel head ratchet. And here's the new sensor. Bosch sensor. Same thing that was in it from the factory. So we're going to go ahead and replace this sensor and get the new one in. Socket arrangement. Alrighty. Better torque the factory spec. And let's get it plugged back in here. So as you can see, this connector goes together here. Probably only goes one way. Yes, it does. It is keyed to where it only goes, looks like this way. Alright, got it connected. Let's get it back to its little home right here on the valve cover. We'll get this wire in there too. Get it out of the way. Alrighty. Making sure, I think there's one more little clip. Yes, there is. Right there that can hold the wire. Okay. Now we've got it installed. We did already clear the code on the vehicle. It hadn't came back. It had came back once before. So we'll get it hooked back up and make sure everything works properly.